Everyone, welcome to Thread Local. Today we'll discuss how to create a deadlock situation using the main thread only, not using any other thread, but just only using the main thread, how we can create a situation like deadlock. So before talking about this, just do a quick recap about what is deadlock. Suppose we have a thread called thread 1 which acquired the lock of object 1 to do some perform. Then you have thread 2 which acquired the lock of object 2 to do some performance. Now thread 1 wants the lock of object 2. For that purpose, thread 2 have to release the lock. And thread 2 wants the lock of object 1 to do some performance. Now in this situation, the situation is similar to two people holding gun at each another. This person is calling, hey, drop your weapon or I will shoot you. This person is saying, drop your weapon, either I will shoot you. So this is a never ending process, right? No one will at the end drop the weapon. Same way, this is also true for thread 1 and thread 2. They are holding some object and both want to acquire the other's lock. So that will be in infinity process, it will go on. This is the deadlock situation. So same situation we can create using main thread also. The main thread is a thread in Java which begins executing when the program starts, right? So when the main thread start, it will start running, right? After some time, if we do a main thread dot join, then what will happen? Main thread will wait for the main thread to finish its work. Means as we did a main thread dot join means main thread have to wait for completing what? The main thread's job. That means I am waiting for myself, right? So it's a never ending process. So this is actually a deadlock situation. So this thing now we will create in the IDE. I have created one class called main thread and here I have defined the main method. Now when we'll start executing the main method, the main thread will start. How to get the main thread object? For that purpose we can do thread dot main t, you can say, as thread dot current thread, which will return the current running thread object. Now if we do a main t dot join, then we can create the deadlock situation. This join method actually throws interrupted exception, so I have to declare it as throws, or we can use the try catch block also. Now what we can do is we can put some print statement here. Main thread started, and after this we can mention main thread stopped. Now if we run this, what output we are getting is main thread started, it is saying. After that it is joining and it is waiting for the main thread to finish its work. Now it is entered into the deadlock situation. So here if you see, the program is still running, and that's why main thread not or never stopped. So it enters into the deadlock situation. I have to forcefully terminate the program. So this is the way you can create a deadlock situation using the main thread only. Thanks for watching.